Transferring a T-Mobile line means changing who owns and is responsible for a mobile line. This shifts billing and control to another person, often within a family. It's different from porting a number to another carrier. As of October 2025, T-Mobile's process is fully digital and user-friendly. Key requirements include an active account in good standing, agreement from both parties, and adherence to T-Mobile's policies and FCC regulations, which prohibit selling lines for profit. The transfer process shifts both ownership, paying the bills, and responsibility to the new owner, who will need to provide their personal details for billing setup. First, log in to your T-Mobile account via the app or website. Then navigate to Account Management and select Transfer Line. Select the line you wish to transfer. Enter the new owner's information. The new owner will receive a secure link to confirm the transfer. T-Mobile will review the request, often within 1 to 2 business days, using biometric authentication to ensure identity and prevent fraud. If approved, the new owner may receive a new SIM card if needed, and billing will transfer accordingly. Remember, the device should be unlocked. Transfers are free for individual accounts, but business accounts might incur a small fee.